If you have a Toyota Tacoma and you've already upgraded the headlights, the next biggest upgrade are the fog lights. Your original fog lights use a halogen bulb. These are going to get dimmer over time and eventually burn out. That's why we've created the all-new Morimoto XB fog lights. The Morimoto XBs have a durable UV-resistant polycarbonate lens that will resist the test of time, keeping the housing looking new for many years to come. The powder-coated cast aluminum housing is lightweight and much stronger than comparable plastic alternatives. Doubling as the heat sink for the LEDs, the housings completely protect internals from moisture and road debris. These are available in a white or an amber XB fog. Thankfully, the new Morimoto XB projector fog lights look great, are well built, perform like a champ, have a virtually infinite lifespan, and unbeatable warranty. The install is super easy. Start by removing the push tabs that hold your inner fender liner to the bumper. And now you can pull back the liner and locate your housing. Unplug the factory wiring and remove the 2 screws holding the housing in. You've got one on the bottom and one on top. Once the screws are removed, you can remove the housing. And now grab your Morimoto XB fog light and replace those 2 screws. Once tight, don't forget to plug in your factory wiring. Replace the push tabs that hold on your inner fender liner, and that's all it takes to get this installed. Originally, your fog lights were dim. They weren't very wide, and like I said, they will burn out. When you install the Morimoto XB fogs, you get much more width. You also get that nice, bright white color that we've come to love. If you've already upgraded your headlights, the Morimoto XB fog lights will now match. But maybe you're not a fan of the bright white color and want to go amber. You still get that width, and you still get that refined beam pattern. You have a beautiful gradient of light that starts bright and goes dim as it goes down. Just look at the difference between the amber fogs and your stock halogen fogs. The beam pattern is designed to not blind you while you're driving down the road. The Morimoto XB fogs are a perfect fit for your Toyota. If you want modern LED technology packed into a fog light housing that actually has control, the Morimoto XB fogs are for you.